Hello viewers, welcome back to Full Plate Kitchen. Today we are going to show you guys how to prepare pressure cooker mutton biryani. Before getting started, if you are not subscribed yet, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So now let's take a look at the ingredients of mutton biryani. First step is to marinate the mutton by adding 1 tablespoon chili powder, half tablespoon salt, and quarter tablespoon turmeric powder. Mix it and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Here I have taken 1 cup of rice. Soak the rice in water for about 30 minutes. For the mutton biryani, I am going to grind the masala paste. For that, I have taken 2 small onions, 10 cloves of garlic, 1 inch ginger, 3 green chilies, 5 coriander and pudina leaves, 1 tablespoon grated coconut, 4 red chilies, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, add little water and grind it to the fine paste. Take a pressure cooker, add 2 tablespoons of oil, 4 tablespoons of ghee, next add the spices, add 2 sliced onions and saute it till onions become golden brown. Add 2 chopped tomatoes and mix it. Now add 3 tablespoons of ground masala paste and give it a good mix. Next, start adding marinated mutton pieces into the pressure cooker and mix it well. Now you can see mutton pieces are mixed perfectly with ground masala. Add about 1 tablespoon of salt and give it a good mix. For this mutton biryani, I have taken 1 cup of rice, so I am adding 2 cup of water. Now add handful of coriander and mint leaves. Close the lid and pressure cook it for about 5 to 6 whistles. Remove the lid, check the seasoning and add salt if required. Keep the flame on low. Now I am going to add soaked rice and mix it gently. Close the lid and pressure cook it for about 2 whistles. Now open the lid. Mix the rice with masala. Now the delicious pressure cooker mutton biryani is ready. Mutton is perfectly cooked. Now let's serve this delicious mutton biryani with raita. I'm sure you're going to enjoy cooking this dish. Do try this dish at home and give us the feedback. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.